Welcome to my channel, people. Genre from Exploration. Today we're going to make some Msemen. As you can see, I'm just starting off by putting some flour into a container. This is probably about 2 cups of flour, not measuring precisely, or maybe slightly more, depends on how much Msemen you want. I think that flour is alright. I will probably add a little bit more, and then some salt, a sprinkle of salt, and water. Obviously we're going to make a dough now, so the main thing is to make this dough nice and soft. As you can see, I don't like getting my hands dirty, so I'm just kneading away there with the fork, with a spoon, sorry, initially, just like that. A little bit, apply a little bit more pressure and a little bit more water, because as you can see, that does look a bit dry. And just form your dough round and round, slow process, but keep mixing, keep tight, and I'm giving it some real power there and strength in turning and pushing down. Turn, push down, turn, push down, and let me just speed this up for you a little. There you go. That dough look nice and tight, almost ready for the next stage. Here comes the next stage, just adding some oil to that dough. This is what's going to make the Msemen flavorsome, and also it's going to help because I'm not going to use a rolling pin, so the oil is what's going to give it that soft texture. I'm just going to mix that dough again so the oil is in properly. As you can see, slowly you can see the dough is looking shiny now, almost glowing, and I'm just rolling it, forming it in almost a circle. Once I'm finished with this dough, it seems to be now, I'm just going to clean up a little and put it into wrap it in a cling film. You can put it in a container, you can leave it outside at room temperature, cover it with moist kitchen towel, but I like to put mine in the fridge for about 15 to 20 minutes, make that dough firmer, make the dough easier to work with. So I'm just putting on the finishing touches of this cling film to my dough, and then I'm going to just throw it in the fridge, leave it for a couple of minutes, and I will come back to show you the next stage in completing this Msemen. But there you have it, a nice dough, almost looking like a football. Look, I'm making it nice and round. There you go, and I'm putting it to the fridge. Here we are, back to the next stage, just like that. That was quick. So here we go. You didn't see me put the dough in the fridge, but I did put it there for about 20 minutes, so I edited that part out, and here we are back. And as you can see, I am flattening the Msemen. To do this, you just need oil, and I'm putting the oil on the dough itself, small piece. You break off a small piece of the dough, and I'm just flattening a small piece of the dough before folding it. Oh, I folded it already. I will show you next time that step. And you also need some semolina. It just gives the dough a special flavor and it makes the dough easier to work with. So there you have my nice square shape looking Msemen. I added some semolina to it. I don't know why I'm making it that flat. What am I doing here? I'm taking it up, and I'm just gonna put it on my skewer like this on my pan. If you have a special roti pan, you can use it. I think my wife got a tower, If you don't, then it's fine, just put it in a frying pan. Here you can see from scratch the process. Sorry you didn't see me folding that Msemen, but I'm flattening it out while this one is left to cook. My daughter is helping out. Excellent here to just keep an eye on that one so it doesn't burn. And I'm teaching her at the same time how to flip it over and how to check that it's cooked properly. So that's my daughter doing that. Excellent, she's doing a fantastic job there. Just making sure that that Msemen doesn't burn while it's on the skewer. You can see the golden brown color coming, and here we are back over to me making some more of this Msemen, so that when the one is finished cooking on the pot, that one, then I am ready to put the next one to go. As you can see, I'm just sprinkling some semolina there. Semolina. I can never pronounce this thing. But it will help to give the dough a nice crispy and crunchy flavor when you eat it. And this is best served with honey. There's a semolina. my daughter's zooming right in so you can see that semolina, nice fine green. It just gives the Msemen this nice texture. So I like sprinkling it on 2 stages, when I'm flattening it and when I'm cooking it. Some people put the semolina after they have finished the Msemen, but this is how I like to do it. So here we go. I'm just showing my daughter how to get that Msemen nicely cooked, flattening it down and turning it. Cool process. And that one is done, so I took that one off the fire. And we're now ready. I think add some oil if the talwa, I'm gonna call it talwa, or roti pot is too dry. Just add a little bit more oil or ghee, or in my case I think coconut oil is the best for flavor. And I'm just putting that new Msemen that I prepared onto the talwa. Yeah, so just like that, it's such an easy process and fun and good to do with the kids. So let's go back in this video now and check out. Before I go back, you can see those nice bubbles coming up. When you see those bubbles coming up, you can just pat it down as my daughter is doing. And also, it's a good idea to start thinking about turning it when you see lots of bubbles. I turned down the flames, so my daughter is gonna flip it over, which is excellent at doing now. And as you can see, that's nicely brown on one side. Some parts didn't cook properly, so I'm just reminding her to actually pat those parts down so they can cook. These Msemen don't take long to cook at all, about 2-3 minutes, macho meal, slightly more or less, and then you have some nice Msemen ready to go. So my daughter is helping out with that really nicely. I'm showing her the edges and reminding her to pat those edges so those edges are properly cooked. We don't want any raw bits in the Msemen as we eat them. So yeah, simple process, people. Let's jump back in the video for a second and see what I'm saying. Pull it over in the middle. Do what? Just sprinkle a little bit oil in it. Is it puffing up? What you need to do? Flip it over, Zara. You can see it puffing out. No need for that.
Stop it.
Maybe turn the fire down just a little bit. The top is going to make nothing then cook part was burning then. Look, this part here doesn't look that good. Flip it and get that part.
Why are you touching it with your
Flip
hand?
it and get that part cooked. In the middle, all the way in the middle, and turn it around gently. Quickly, Zara, be quick.
It's
And
scary.
then there, see it's burning? That one. Make it neat, Zara. You need that dough right there. Yes, people, look how nice and fluffy that Msemen look. So tasty. As my daughter zooms in, you can see those bubbles like small little craters. And all we need to do in a minute is pat them down. Time to flip this Msemen. So here it is. Msemen looking delicious. Coming on nicely. Cooking well. Don't rush to turn it, okay? Give it time. And when these bubbles start popping up, more of them, then that means it's time to turn.
Because I can't. Are we done? It has bubbles on it. Can I flip it?
In a minute. Gonna put on low flame so it can fry nicely, it can cook nicely. Just give it a tiny bit of. Think about flipping now. Press down first. Press down to make sure it's cooking first.
Right. Oh dear. I don't know. Spin it around. Spin it around. There you go.
Push it down.
Hello. No, I'm the cameraman. It's me.
I want to be on the camera.
As you can see, this Msemen is coming on so good. It's flaky, it's crispy, it's going to be crunchy and nice. Look at all those nice little brown spots. Yes, it's where the burns are. But I tell you people, that's what make this section really nice. You don't have to make the brown on it like I have done. It's just that I'm pushing it down hard, as you can see. But the good thing is I turned down my flames. And you can see that semolina on the Msemen and on the tower. And I'm just turning and flipping, and that one looks like it's ready now. So yep, so let's put that one away. And I should have another one folded, waiting and ready to go. The tricky part of the Msemen is the folding part. So let me see if this is ready, or if I'm going to fold it for you. That is ready to go. You have to wait until I fold one. So I'm just putting it on the towel. It's almost similar to doing roti. Very, very similar strategy. And I'm just leaving it there to cook. And my daughter just guiding it along. And as you see those little bubbles, heat bubbles start popping up, then you know it's almost time to turn this Msemen. Okay people, so this is coming on so good. And you cannot believe how nice the taste. You'll see later on when they finish, and I'm just sprinkling some more semolina there on it. As I normally do, just to give it that extra bit of crunch and extra bit of flavor. Semolina make a big difference when you're doing the Msemen. One thing, I bought the wrong one in one of my recipes, just to clarify that the semolina that I'm using is the fine one and not the coarse one. The coarse one will still do the job, people, but you'd have to know how to use it. So it's a fine semolina I'm using. So this msemen is almost cooked now.
Semolina.
No.
So you heard my kids there helping out, and my daughter pronouncing semolina properly. Here's the dough. I still have a lot to go, to be honest, but I'm not going to bore you doing all of it at once. I'm still cooking the msemen. I'm nearly finished. It's almost the kids' lunchtime, and as you can see, I have a good batch there lined up, nice brown, crispy, flaky, and I'm going to serve it with some honey. Let's jump back in.
I think they know that
I can't remember.
I
Mine.
want to hold it.
Get your hands off. I'm busy.
I want to hold it.
I'm
Let your brother hold
busy.
it for a minute.
Hold it then. With your shaky hands. Grandpa.
As a counter, Michael, you need to show
Exactly.
what the back
When I
line.
messed up, you yelled at
So
me.
you
How
can
come you being so nice to him?
Okay, look, so you can see just there on the plate,
No, look.
like that. No, not up, like that.
But,
Only doing the plate on this side, this way, so you can see just the plate. Can you see what you're filming? You're filming the wood.
wow. I see it.
Zara, come for it,
This is
please.
messy, man. They made it.
Boy, look, I'm gonna do this. You take this quickly. Can you see it?
It's actually
You
messy.
sure?
Yeah. Messy, man. My dad made it. Now look.
At the counter, yeah.
Right. One for you,
Oh my goodness.
one for you.
How it looks like it can stand up like that. Wait, let me try something with it. I'm filming you.
Come,
Wait, can it? Can it?
come, boy.
Can it? Oh,
Give it to me.
it's too big
Thank you very
to.
much. Here you go. That, people, kids them have lunch. Very flaky msemen here, like a roti, but nicer than the roti. You can see all that flakiness. Let's have a bite. That is nice. Soft, flaky. That's simple. Wish you were here to share. Just like that. With some msemen, served dessert style with some honey. But you can serve it with anything. You can serve it with a savory dish. It will taste just as nice. Thanks for joining. I've really enjoyed sharing this msemen recipe with you. As you can see, it's a very simple thing to make. Very, very easy. Very, very tasty. The kids will love it. Thanks for joining me again. Remember to like, share, and subscribe.